Hey guys, this is HarperGirl6 back with another video. This is my pocket knife that I got. I am 10 years old, so I can have a pocket knife, just so you guys know. Okay, so here it is. Really cool. Awesome knife. I don't know if you guys can see this. There. I'm trying to make it so you guys can see better. It's blue. It's a blue knife. Oh, it's really cool. Okay, now I'm going to show you what's in the pocket knife. Got a screwdriver piece. Got, gosh, this piece is hard to get out. A thing. It's a nail filer and a finger cleaner, like nail cleaner. Got one of those things. It's for something, I don't know. And that's in that area. That's on that side. On the other side. I know I'm just gonna do this piece right here. More people don't realize it, but it's these things. It's a thing. That's what it is. It's one of those plucker thingies that you use, and you can pluck like hairs out of it. It's cool. Now on that other side, we got a pocket knife. Pocket knife. That's the actual knife. Piece. I'm trying to figure out. And there's a saw. Yeah, there's two saws on this, but I don't want to take everything out. Yeah, that's the knife. And there's the piece that you gotta push to close the pocket knife. But yeah, it's really cool pocket knife, guys. I just got it today. It's really new. It's really cool. Sorry if my camera color keeps changing. I don't know what's wrong with it. I tried to make a new background for my videos, and that's pretty much the new background. So because if you like it, really, I don't really care for it. I don't really dislike it. I don't really like it. I don't know what to do with it. Oh, now I know. They're called tweezers. That's what they are. And you can use them to pluck hairs. Pretty much it. Yeah, that's it for this video. That was HarperGirl6 coming at you with her new pocket knife. Very cool pocket knife. I don't really know what else to tell you guys. But, it was pretty cheap. I can tell you that. Wasn't expensive, wasn't cheap, but it was like just the right amount. And yeah, this was my pocket knife review. Tell me what you guys think about it. And for all the figures that I unboxed now, I'm gonna be using this baby. I'm gonna be using this baby, this new cool pocket knife, a lot now. Like all the time. I'm gonna be using it for pretty much all my videos. Not all, but pretty much a lot of them. Because if you're a cool pocket knife, at least I think so. I don't really know what you guys think, but I think it's cool. Oh yeah, I got my new socks. They don't say anything on them. Just black and gray sock. I got some new pants and a new shirt. New shirt, yeah. But that's the end of this pocket knife review. Really cool pocket knife. I really like it. I don't recommend this pocket knife. So if you're old enough for a pocket knife, tell me in the comments. I'd be really excited to know. Like, but yeah, guys, just tell me in the comments. Do you think this is a good pocket knife? I think it's pretty cool. It's awesome. So, peace out, guys. That was Up Girl 6 with her video.